Hi students, how are you? I am Shanmunathan, physics teacher, 11th standard physics, unit 1, lesson name Nature of Physical World and Measurement. Nature of Physical World and Measurement. Now we will discuss about introduction. Science. The word science comes from Latin verb scientia means to know. Aridal in Tamil means knowing the truth. உண்மையை அறிதல். Science is a systematic method of gaining knowledge by observation, experimentation and logical reasoning. The scientific method. The scientific method is a step-by-step approach in studying natural phenomena and establishing laws which govern this phenomena. Any scientific method involves the following general features. First one is systematic observation, second controlled experimentation, third one qualitative and quantitative reasoning, fourth one mathematical modeling, last one prediction and verification. For example, heating metallic rod. Next one, physics introduction. The word physics, இயற்பியல், derived from Greek word physis meaning nature. This physics is the study of nature and natural phenomena. Next, unification, attempting to explain diverse physical phenomena with few concepts and laws. For example, Newton's universal law of gravitation, that is explain motion of freely falling bodies towards the earth. Next, reductionism, attempting to explain macroscopic system in terms of its microscopic constituent. Next one, branches of physics. Two main branches is there. The first one is classical, second one is modern physics. First one is classical physics, second one is modern physics. First one, classical mechanics, the study of force acting on bodies whether at rest or in motion. Second one, thermodynamics, the study of the relationship between heat and other forms of energy. Third one, optics, the study of light. Fourth one, electricity and magnetism, the study of electricity and magnetism and their mutual relationship. Acoustic, to study of production and propagation of sound waves. Astrophysics, the branch of physics which deals with the study of the physics of astronomical bodies. Relativity, one of the branches of theoretical physics which deals with the relationship between space, time and energy, particularly with objects moving in different ways. This is the classical mechanics. Next, modern physics. First one is quantum physics, quantum mechanics, the study of the discrete nature of phenomena at the atomic and subatomic levels. Atomic physics, the branch of physics which deals with the structure and properties of the atom. Then nuclear physics, the structure, properties and reaction of the nuclei of atoms. Condensed matter physics, the study of the properties of condensed materials like solid, liquid and gases. High energy physics, the study of the nature of the particles. This is the branches of physics. Next, Scope and excitement of physics. Two types of discoveries are accidental discoveries, theoretical and experimental discoveries. Here, theoretical prediction are the most important contribution to the development in technology and medicine. The study of physics is not only educative but also existing in many. Next one, physics in relation to technology and society. Technology and society. Physics, being a fundamental science, has played a vital role in the development of all other sciences. For example, laws of electricity and magnetism led to discovery of wireless communication. Wireless communication like phone communication. Second one, launching of satellites into space. Launching of satellites into space. For example, physics in relation to chemistry, physics in relation to biology, physics in relation to mathematics, physics in relation to astronomy. So, a small example. An introduction. Astronomical telescopes are used to study the motion of planets and other heavenly bodies in the sky. Radio telescopes have enabled the astronomers to observe distance point to the universe. This is the astronomy, the physics in relation to astronomy. Next, physics in relation to geology. Geology diffraction techniques helps to study the crystal structure of various rocks. Radioactivity is used to estimate age of rocks, fossil and the age of the earth. Next, physics in relation to oceanography, physics in relation to psychology. Next, measurement. Comparison of any physical quantity with its standard unit is called measurement. Further explanation in